I usually buy healthy bread.
Healthy bread.
Usually check out the expiry date for
Expired
bread.
there, I got it.
Because if I buy expired bread, it will make my
Unhealth.
stomach ache.
Yeah,
I'm not talking
inshallah.
about expired bread. I'm talking about
Ingredients, right?
no, not ingredient. Yeah, I mean that's what I mean, but not expired bread. It's even
Okay. Usually, I've never experienced stomach ache after eating bread because bread is very healthy food from usually bread is not our Eastern style of food. It's a Western style of food. So and also in the Middle East they usually eat
Middle
bread.
East.
So I make bread my favorite food because bread has also can become alternative
Your
food
favorite food.
instead of rice.
What topic today?
Because I try to make alternative food instead of rice, and also because also rice, if eating rice, too much eating rice over time can make a lot of diseases as well. So I try to move to bread